Hi friends, here is my introduction video for our class this summer. I just want to start by saying how excited I am to be sharing this journey with you. Teaching this course has been a dream of mine for a long time, and a chance to share it with you in class and be lucky enough to have Kirsten Abel as our graduate doctoral student co-teacher. I can't say enough. I'm sure you'll be, of course I can't say enough because I'll be saying more about it this summer, but here's my video. If you are curious about the acoustics in here, or if I sound a little echoey, it's because my son is in the tub about 4 feet away from me, and we are going to be multitasking as we do every night in our family. So if you hear some extra interjections, that is just Will. So hello, I'm Denise Housley-Exum, also known as DrO. As I said earlier, I'm super excited to be spending the summer with you, and here are my answers to our questions. As you can see, this is my home, my family, and my work. Three things that I love incredibly that make my life so lucky. Picture from Legoland, where we go every summer. I was born and raised in Florida. My sister still lives there. So we go every summer and spend some time at Legoland. We spend as much time as we can on the water, and I don't love to fish. I love to catch, and then we always put back by agreement anything I catch. I couldn't bear couldn't bear it otherwise. To the right on the top row is my favorite family portrait of us. Will was just 3 months old, and as you can see, Will loves karate. We had a great time at the eclipse this year. Watson had a giant party on the lawn for the eclipse. There is Will in his self-portrait, which was a wonderful surprise for Mother's Day. And finally, a little bit about my work. I love being a teacher and a teacher educator. It's been the gift of my life, and my life has had so many gifts, and so I love being a teacher. And here I am with a dear colleague, Amy Garrett-Dickers, and we are congratulating Ruby Theron, who was a beloved graduate of ours. Next is I thought I'd share my favorite holiday, Halloween. It is my favorite holiday by far. I'm not into the spooky aspect of the season, but I love everything else about it. I love decorating, pumpkins everywhere, trick-or-treating. I love the whole shebang. And as you can see, there we are we do a theme family costume every year, and Will's favorite thing in the world is Mario. So there we have our little Yoshi and Mario and Luigi. My favorite for books, TV, movies is science fiction. I love anything science fiction. It was the first genre I loved as a young reader, and I've never looked back. I do love historical fiction and mystery as well, but sci-fi has my heart. If there's anything you ever want me to read, if you can make me believe it's science fiction, I will certainly pick it up and give it a try. My current challenge is to walk more. It is my challenge for the summer, certainly to get ready for the Netherlands, which we'll hear about in a second, but also just to walk more. I'm not getting out like I should, and so my goal this summer, I teach at 1 o'clock, and so my goal this summer is to walk in the mornings. I drop Will off at 8:15, and then I'm going to go to the park and walk. So if you want to send me some positive vibes between 8:30 and 9:30 every day, I would really appreciate it. So, and finally, my summer plans include for the second year, we are going to take teachers, teacher educators, doc students, undergraduates, and master students to the Netherlands. It was the inspiration for this course, actually. We study the Dutch perspective on refugee and immigrant education. It's one certainly to learn more about, and so it was the inspiration for our course. So we'll share more about that as we go on. Part of the course, I'll be in the Netherlands for 10 days this summer, and we'll be recording and sharing videos from there. And finally, thank you. This is, sorry for getting distracted momentarily. I just want to say thank you. Really appreciate everyone giving their time and their attention, their dedication to our course this summer. I think we will all be changed by it. And I just want to share how grateful Kirsten and I are that you are going to be on this journey with us. So have a wonderful week, and I can't wait to see everyone else's videos. Thanks so much. Bye.